There's two arm bars from now that we do. The first one's frog arm bar. So I'm going to be heavy on him. This is very normal. You do this to overwhelm him, to make him feel uncomfortable, right? That he can't breathe, he can't move. A very normal reaction from someone who doesn't know the jiu-jitsu is to push you away. Kind of like a bench pressing. This is good for you on top because they're giving you their arms. Okay, now their arms are far from their body, so they're able for you to take them. So you're going to use this, then your arms again. You're going to use this to come up. So he's going to push. I'm going to pick what arm I'm going to use. I'm going to go for this one in this case, or maybe this one. So I want to have my hands over. So the hand that goes over is the arm that I'm going to take. So in this case, I'm taking this one. Okay? I'm going to push off of him. I'm going to bring my legs around. So bend your arms again. He's going to push me up. I'm going to push up of him. And I'm going to sit. Okay, you notice how I didn't sit right on my butt. I actually sat on his shoulder first and then slid down. Okay, so let's do that again. He's going to push me. I'm going to sit on his shoulder and slide down. Notice how I trapped his arm as I was coming back. Okay, so this leg is going to push his head down. Okay, and this leg is going to pull him close to me. I'm going to be squeezing my knees towards each other. And after I'm here, I'm going to hug my own arm. I can take this hand with my hand. It's not mandatory. But you can control the hand if you start coming back. This is the easier part of the arm. If it's tight, you should tap right about there. If it's not tight, you can go further down. And then you're going to have to lift your hips. Okay? Whatever you're doing, make sure your knees are squeezing towards each other. Because this immobilizes the shoulders. Okay?
Okay.
You need a lot of power to do an arm bar. Okay? So, what's very important is that you don't do this. Because then it's your arms versus his arms. And believe me, when you're about to get into an armbar, your arms are really strong. See, now it's like this struggle, and this is a total pain in the butt. It's hard to break, and you don't want to get hit. Okay? So always hug the arm and sit back with the arm hugged. Okay? Squeezing the knees. That's armbar, frog armbar. Technique number one. Now, technique number two is going to be arm. Okay. In this case, he knows I'm going to take his arm, so he's not going to kick me his arm. I'm going to have to go for it. So first thing I want to do is take my hand and swing it behind his tricep. Okay? I'm going to take that wrist and I'm going to pull that arm. His natural reaction is to do what? To bring the shoulder back down. So I have to prevent that by lifting and walking forward. Okay, so let's do that again. I'm going to lift, base my hand and walk forward. Now he can't put the foot in. See that? Let me do the other side so you guys can see. So I'm going to take the arm. Okay, I'm going to pull, base, slide. Let's try to put your arm back down. Everything good? Okay, now I'm going to turn. See how I turn? I'm still blocking his shoulder with my thigh. Okay? And I'm still squeezing him with this leg. This leg's already in position. This leg is not in position yet. So I'm going to push his face. I'm going to use his face as support to swing my leg over and come here. From here is the same as before. Hug, squeeze with this one, pull with this one. Alright? Okay. So one more time. Same side. I'm going to take the arm. Lift. Base. Slide. Step up. Notice how my feet moved. I'm going to push his face. I'm sitting on his shoulder as I'm transition. Hug and squeeze. That's technique number two. Those are the two arm bars from now. Okay? Let's do arm bar from guard. Arm bar from guard. Okay?
That second one.
Arm bar from guard. Okay? This is the same as arm bar from mount.
Okay.
It's identical. Imagine the floor is behind him.
I'll take one.
Imagine the floor is behind him. So, I'm going to take it back to his arm. I'm going to pull his arm. I'm going to put my knee behind his shoulder. Right? So he keeps it from pulling out. Okay? Now I'm going to, remember how I used to turn to the side? Right? Now the thing is that my hips were on him when I was on top of him. My hips are far from him now, so I want to put him close to him. So I lift, now I'm tight to him. And I'm going to turn. I'm going to push the face. Remember push the face? Bring the leg over. I'm just going to squeeze my knees. And I'm going to hug the arm again. That's it. If this is loose, you may have to arch your back a little more. Okay? But hug. This is always easier and better. Right there. Let's one more time. I'm going to pull the arm, slide the knee, lift the hip, bite. So this goes bite. Then I'm going to push the face, get the leg around, hug, and squeeze the knees. If this is tight enough, you're just squeezing the knees. May tap them out. This guy's too strong, so I'm just going to hug him. There. Okay. Good. So that's armbar from guard. Okay. Now let's say that he wants to pass my guard. So he's going to control my shoulder, like pass the guard standing. This one. He's going to come up. You guys know this one. I should go for his legs right now, right? So I'm going to grab his ankles, and he's going to defend here, right? Here. Okay, there's an armbar from here that we're going to learn. I'm going to grab the arm. Okay, in this armbar, I'm going for this arm here. Okay, so I'm going to climb, climb. And then I'm going to use this hand here on the bottom. You see my hand here on the left? I'm going to hook and turn. Well, and here. I'm just going to squeeze into the arm. One more time. So he's in my guard. He's going to come up. I'm going to take his heels, go for the double ankle sweep. Oh, it doesn't work. So I'm going to trap, climb, hook under the heel, turn, squeeze. I can even keep this arm, no problem. Because as I'm keeping this arm, I'm still grabbing the arm that I'm putting the bar on. So, or just that one, hug it, and there. So, push. And here you can always still take it down. Okay? Push. Last one. I know it's a lot of stuff, but that's what you got to be. And you also have Professor Jamal, which is better than anything you can get. All you got. This is the last one we're going to learn. Okay, it's armbar from side control. So you got something from everywhere you can, from every position you're going to get going. So let's say that he's hugging me on the side control. Okay, this is very common also, but this is not a good thing for you. Because in side control, you want to push the guy away. You don't want to keep him close to you, which is the opposite as in mount, right? So, in this case, I'm going to take his bicep. Okay, come to this side. You're going to see it better on this side. You're going to take the bicep, and I'm going to take my elbow to his belly button. See how this loosens his grip a little bit? Even if he's holding tight, that's okay. I'm going to go here. Okay? Now, my legs are going to shuffle. I'm going to shuffle with my feet. But before I do that, I'm going to put my arm on this side to keep him from spinning around. Because if I start turning, he can turn with me. Right? Now, if I put my arm here, he cannot turn with me. You see that? Okay? That is good. He doesn't. It makes it better for me. So see what my hand is? I'm going to put my left foot there. So I'm going to go 1, 2. Put my foot here. This is going to test your flexibility a little bit. Now I'm going to pivot on the ball of this foot. Okay, this should be heavy on his belly. Is it heavy on your belly? So I'm going to pivot on the ball of this foot. And watch what happens. Pivot. And I'm here. I have the arm. Now my leg in the regular armbar is usually here. But in this case, the left leg is here. Now, extra credit. Look at my left toes. You see my left toes over here? You see him? I'm going to step him on his neck. Yeah, that makes it super tasty. And then you squeeze the knees and slide back. Okay, so that foot here makes a difference because it kind of provides a bit of a choke on that side. All right? Do you want me to show that one more time? Yes. All right. That was fun, right? Same side. Let's go. So I'm here. Oh, he's going to make the choice of hugging me. No problem. I like that. I'm going to take the bicep and I'm going to put my elbow in his belly button. Okay, I'm going to take my arm to the other side of his face so that he doesn't chase me. I'm going to do my shuffle. 1, shuffle. Put my foot here. My weight is on his belly. I'm going to pivot on the ball of this foot and keep the foot tight to him. Stay low. Tight foot. Turn. This leg. In this case, this leg is going to pull. I'm going to push so much until I relocate my toes. There. Squeezing the knees. Here it's easy to let your legs get open. So squeeze and tight. And see how I'm hugging already? Great. I'm going to hug my own arm. I'm going to start sliding back. Squeeze the knees. There. Push. All right.
Couple new ones.
So we got armbar, frog armbar, armbar from mount, armbar from guard, armbar from double ankle swing defense. and upward from side control. You got 5 of them. Push. Get ready. 1, 2, 3.